Department tab. We've gone through all the way up to here. Now we're department tab. We got a lot more to go. But each one of these tabs are going to have a link in it, like this one is here. This will have a link based off of what I'm talking about right now. All right. So put in your department. Look for a 25% net margin, please. Your sold hour price, probably close to $500. Again, that's up to you on your profit pricer. And number of calls you want a technician to run in a day. Okay. The rest of this is formulas based off of other tabs down here, and then look at your gross margins. This is what I coach: 20% labor, 15% material. On the plumbing service department, gives me about a 65% gross profit. And when you're doing 65%, you're really knocking it out of the water. So anywhere between 65%, you're probably going to get 25% profit in there somewhere. But if you go below that 60% number here on plumbing, you got some work to do, and you need to figure out why that's happening. Okay, plumbing installation department, 35% is here because we mirror the commission and the net profit together because they're both percentages. So we pay off a percentage on the commission, and we look for the percentage on the net profit here. That's why that says 35%. Selling price $4,000 a day. Don't really have a pulse on where that should be company by company. I've seen it go higher and I've seen it go lower. I will say this: the guys that are doing it higher are making more money. Sold days. So this is basically a number of days in the month. This is based off of the efficiency factor piece down here on the setup piece and how efficient we are. So that's already something you should have in your profit pricer to plug in there. How many days? Basically, if you think of a month, okay, you got 4 weeks in a month, let's say, and each week you're installing 3 installs. So that's a 60% efficiency. And so that's kind of what I'm looking for here. If I had 4 weeks and I've got 3 of them, I'm going to have 12 sold days that month. Okay? That's how I look at that. You guys may have other ways of doing it, but I stick pretty close with the 3 days a week consistently. Yes. Do we have 5 days some weeks and we have 1 week? Yeah, that happens too. But overall for the month, I'm looking for 3 per week. All right. Leads a day for your comfort consultants. That's the most I'm going to give them. They have to self-generate their other ones. And I would expect you to do the same thing. All right. And then down here, I put in the labor, material, and expense. So you're about a 50% gross margin. That should be right. Matter of fact, that should be your low end. 50 to 54% is really good. So make sure, and I hear a lot of complaints about that. Well, I couldn't do it because of this. I go, well, shit, can't help you with that. Change your price. Okay. That's really the whole thing. And as you go down here, you put in each one of these gray areas, and I'm going to protect this. It is protected, so you can't go up here and type over something. I'm not going to allow that to happen because it'll mess up the whole damn thing. Okay, so this is protected, and right now it's not password protected, but it will be before I send it to you. Okay, all right, thank you very much.